Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you're all right. So today I just woke up, fam, and I'm craving Banga stew, ofaku. That's what we call it. And let me show you. This is what I'm going to use to make my ofaku today. It's the palm soup base. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be taking you through this journey of how I made my ofaku and my banga stew here in the UK. How I've been able to put like different ingredients together. So I'm just going to go and prep the ingredients, and when I'm done prepping the ingredients, I'll then show you. And we'll make the soup or the stew rather together. See ya! Hi guys, welcome back. And yes, these are the ingredients we need to make our ofaku: the palm base, aromat seasoning. It's all natural. I have the smoked paprika as well. I have parsley. I have pepper. I have smoked turkey. I'm always a turkey above chicken person, man. Turkey for the win. I also have my dried fish, neatly prepared and washed, bones removed. I have my seasoning cube. Yeah, my palm base, And of course, I have my crayfish. You cannot make ofaku without crayfish. Like, here my meat is sizzling and boiling. I spiced it with paprika, with salt, with Maggi cubes, and I have it boiling. Yeah, and some pepper as well. So here it's all boiled down, and I begin to add my turkey. Just look at this beauty in the smoked turkey. Just look at it, guys. And it tasted really good. So I add my smoked turkey. Yeah. Just look at it looking pretty, sitting pretty in the pot. Turkey, the taste was really good, given the fact that it was smoked. Oh God, it added an extra flavor to the banga. So I gave it a stir, gave it a good stir so it could mix up with the meat stock, and we could also extract the stock from it. At this point, it had fully mixed into the stock and boiled, and then I add my fish. I add my dried fish. See, banga without dried fish, I don't know, man. It's never complete. Because it's a local stew, everything that makes it local should be added. So I add some water, to be able to boil down the fish as well. Give it a little bit of a stir. I covered it, and then I added my onion after it came to a little bit of a boil. Yes, I added onions to the pot. I didn't want to leave any bits out. I made sure every bit of onion that I cut entered into this pot. Not after all the tears I cried while cutting it. So I give it a stir and added some water as well. At this point, we have everything boiling, poto, 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 poto. You know the sound that it makes. I'm adding my crayfish. One of our major secret ingredients is the crayfish. You heard what they say about the Igbos? We add crayfish to everything. And don't worry, it still comes out very nice. But crayfish gives everything like this local flavor that is really good. Okay, not everything though. I'll take that back. So when we get it to a boil, we add our palm base. So ordinarily, in Nigeria, you would have to pound and all of that and extract the base, pound it and extract the base with hot water. But here, I already went for an already extracted base because how will I be pounding with mortar and pestle? It has come to a boil at this point. Look at all the bubbles going up. Our Banga stew is looking nice. I love it. I love the look. And it's boiling, and then I add my parsley. Now, if you're living abroad, you can go ahead and just add like parsley and mint. Let's say some fresh parsley leaves and some mint. It could do the magic for you. But because I already have my dried nchawu, I just added some parsley and scent leaves as well. So I had dried scent leaves and I added it. Just look at it. It's really very dry and it could last for months, years because of how dry my scent leaf is. I give it a stir and give it, a couple of minutes for the taste of the scent leaf to get into our stew. I felt like it wasn't enough and I added a little bit more. Because it's dry, the taste is not very fresh. Then this is the final look, boiling, sizzling, and then I dished it out into my takeout packs for storage in the freezer. So let me know what you think about this recipe. Also tell me if you recreated it and if it was nice. I look forward to your comments and you telling me how you enjoyed putting this together. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.